I'll just get the Fendt in before I get too near the noise. Now here we have a MF 6170 dyna shift with a 4-furrow Caberlin plough in the back there. I'll just go and catch this Fendt. I can catch this on the way back down. So it's the Fendt 716 Vario, another 4-furrow Caberlin plough here. So we'll see what sort of job he's making. Should be okay, I'm sure. And in the background we've got some nice leaves as a turning colour in autumn here. Now there's certainly a few stones, maybe not so many up here, but there is some in the field, which is not too unusual. So here we've got some action here with the MF 6170 dyna shift 4-furrow Caberlin plough. Used to be a bit light in that front fur there, but it's better now. Maybe a dip in the field. So it's quite an old tractor there. It's a P-Reg 291 CCT. It's certainly a nice sound coming from the MF there. It's a 6-cylinder job. I've certainly never seen that tractor before. So we'll just hear it coming down here, hear the purr of the engine. Catch the Fendt as it comes down here. It's pretty much nearly finished, I think, so it's best to catch this while I can. You can hear the Massey on my right hand side here. The trees are a lovely golden colour. Well, it's a really nice day for the job. It's not just so windy up here as it was further down, I don't think, anyway. Better not get run over. Never a good idea. I've just been speaking to the driver. He reckons he's got another couple of runs down there and see how it goes. He says he's not too bad for the getting finished there. It's a nice machine, 16 reg, SF16 PZR. Anyway, that's a New Holland T7.235 that Kenny Wiley's driving. It's a I've just forgotten, a Lloyd demonstrator tractor there, so I'm sure you'll be able to buy it as a demonstrator, put a good offer in, and you'll get it no bother. So there's some lovely trees behind the railway line and the houses there. I'm out of breath there. Anyway, this Kenny Wiley on the New Holland T7.230 and a Pottinger plough, 4 in the back there. I'll go and see what sort of job he's making. So here we have a 65 plate PX 65 DGZ, and it's a case 110. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but whether it's a MAXXUM or I'll take a look and see what's what. But it's never moved since I came up here, but it seems to be making a decent enough job anyway. Just a 3 of this one, most of them are 4. It's actually a CASEiH MAXXUM 110 that's in the shadow here, but I don't know, we're going to be getting some action fairly soon. Wait and see. See a driver coming forward there? No. This gtritchie here that's on the TM155 today. 4 for a Reversible plough, and that's her dad at the back there. My namesake, George Ritchie. So Kirsten has won quite a few things at the ploughing. She's very, very keen on farm work. Anyway, they're just discussing what's happening next, but I'll push on.